It's that time of year again. That's right. It's Batman giveaway time. Now, this is the contest that you guys been waiting for. This will be our third Batman All-In Season 1 giveaway. Thanks to Monolith, they made this happen. But anyways, we have this to give away to you. Now, before we get into the details, I want to bring your attention to what Monolith has been doing, or at least what they're planning on doing in 2020. You see, Monolith has this whole plan laid out, this initiative called Beyond the Monolith. Huh? Sounds cool, right? Now, the details of this Beyond the Monolith initiative can be found on our Board Game Coffee channel. So, and if it's not up yet, when you watch this video, it will be up soon. Now, Beyond the Monolith is a whole new way of thinking about board games. And anyways, it's pretty cool. If you want the details, head over to our, well, I guess you might be over at Board Game Coffee already. Well, while you're here, look for the Beyond the Monolith video and get all the details there. Anyways, let's get to why you're actually here. And that is an awesome contest. Okay, so if you want to win the all-in package of Batman Gotham City Chronicles Season 1, this is what you got to do. You listening? Okay, first, you need to subscribe to Board Game Coffee's YouTube channel. That's one. The next thing you need to do is let us know in the comments below what is your favorite Monolith game. That's two. Those are the key two. You need to subscribe and then leave your favorite Monolith game in the comments below. Those are important. But now here you go. I'm going to do this for you. If you want to be entered to win again, share this video on social, either Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and tag us on those videos, and you'll be entered to win again. So you'll be increasing your chances, which is awesome. So that's it. So if you want to win, do those things and you can win. And once again, I'd like to thank Monolith for their generosity. They made this happen. It's so cool. I'm so excited for you guys. And that's it. So go follow, subscribe, share, do all the things you got to do to be entered to win. And, you know, good luck.